Imagine sitting in your dorm room, scrolling through social media or studying for another exam, but this time you're $10,000 richer. You might be wondering, is that even possible for a student? Well, not only is it possible, but it's also achievable if you know exactly what steps to take. In this video, I'm going to reveal some lesser-known, high-paying strategies that could help you reach that $10,000 mark while still in school. Stick around until the end, because each step builds on the previous one, and one wrong move could ruin your chances altogether. Ready to unlock the secrets? Let's dive in. All right, first up, we have what I call the high-income skill stack. This is more than just picking up a random part-time job. It's about identifying a set of skills that, when combined, can set you apart and put you on the path to a high income. Here's the twist. You're not looking for just any skill. You need skills that are not only in demand, but can also be applied together for maximum impact. Think digital marketing paired with graphic design or coding with data analytics. Why? Because companies, even startups, are desperate for people who have these skill combinations and are willing to pay a premium. And here's the catch. Not many students are doing this because they're too focused on either one skill or no skill at all. Now don't worry if you don't know where to start with these skills. Here's the exact sequence you can follow. Start with free resources, like YouTube tutorials or free courses on websites like Coursera and edX to get a basic understanding. Once you have the basics down, move on to more specialized platforms like Udemy. Let's talk about freelancing, but not just any freelancing, niche freelancing. Here's the part that no one tells you. Clients are not looking for a jack of all trades. They want someone who's specialized, who knows the ins and outs of exactly what they need. So, let's say you picked digital marketing and graphic design as your skill stack. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get these clients as a student? This is where platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn come into play. But here's a twist. Don't just apply for random gigs on these sites. Create a professional-looking profile that screams credibility and speaks directly to your niche. Use keywords that your ideal client would be searching for, and make sure to showcase some samples, even if you create them yourself as mock projects. Now, you're probably thinking, this sounds like a lot of work. And you're right, it does take effort. But here's where the real magic happens. Once you land a few clients and start earning, it's time to scale. Outsourcing might sound scary, but hear me out. There are tons of talented freelancers who can help with certain parts of your work. Platforms like Fiverr allow you to find affordable help for specific tasks that you don't necessarily need to do yourself. So, say you're earning $500 on a project. You could pay someone $100 to handle a portion of the work, leaving you with more time and less stress, while still making a nice profit. By this point, you're building up both skills and a client base. But we're not stopping here. Take a portion of that $10,000 goal and put it back into advanced courses, premium software, or even advertising for your freelance services. As you improve your skills and broaden your knowledge, you'll be able to charge higher rates. And this brings us to the final secret weapon, passive income streams. Now that you've built up some expertise and a client base, it's time to create digital products or services that can earn you money even when you're not actively working. Think about it. If you're skilled in graphic design or marketing, you can create an online course or sell design templates. Platforms like Teachable or Gumroad make it easy to create and sell these products with minimal upfront costs. Not only does this add another income stream, but it also builds your brand and establishes you as an authority. So to recap, start with the high-income skill stack, niche down in your freelancing, build credibility on the right platforms, scale through automation and outsourcing, reinvest in yourself, and finally create passive income streams. Each step brings you closer to that $10,000 goal. And the best part is, this isn't a one-time thing. Once you have these foundations in place, you can keep growing, earning, and scaling your income far beyond $10,000. And remember, success isn't instant. You're going to face challenges, and it will take time and commitment. But if you're dedicated and follow this roadmap, you're setting yourself up not just for extra cash as a student, but for financial skills and knowledge that will benefit you for years to come. So, are you ready to take action and make that $10,000? Start with the first step. Commit to learning those skills and go from there. Trust the process. keep pushing forward and watch how your efforts pay off.